Welcome back, and here we are again with another video, and in this video I'll be discussing 7 things I have learned as a paralegal. Now note that these things that I will mention in this video are solely based on my own experience and may differ along everyone's own journey in the paralegal career. So to simplify this video, I have broken it down into 7 parts. First thing I learned is adaptability. Paralegals encounter several types of cases each and every day with their own unique court rules, matters, and issues. The ability to adapt becomes paramount in this field because you are always tackling new challenges, new softwares, and new unique ways to handle cases. Client needs and expectations always evolve, so make sure that you meet the needs of each and every client, and that is very valuable. Another reason that adaptability in this field is because laws are constantly changing, and you will need to easily adapt to each and every law and court rule that may satisfy your case and firm needs. Second thing I have learned in this field as a paralegal is communication. Communication is vital as a paralegal because you will constantly have communication throughout your paralegal career, whether it involves client interaction, document preparation, court proceedings, etc. You must know the basic communication skills to ensure your success as a paralegal. You will constantly be talking to clients, talking to courts, judges, and even your own attorneys. Strong communication skills contribute to overall efficiency, accuracy, and professionalism in a law firm. You will also need to be professional in consistently taking emails, phone calls, and talking with opposing counsel and responding to various emails and conflicts that may arise on a daily basis. The third thing I have learned is that you need to have a keen eye towards attention to detail. Attention to detail is vital as it ensures accuracy in legal documents. Preparation comes when paralegals are often drafting legal documents such as contracts, briefs, and pleadings. Even minor errors in these documents can have significant consequences. Clerks who work at the court may simply reject your firm's filings if they are not correct. Attention to detail comes in a variety of other areas as well, such as effective case management and other skills, because paralegals often handle multiple cases at once, each with their own deadlines, and being organized while having attention to detail is pivotal in this role. Now, always try to put yourself in the shoes of a client. Imagine for a moment you are hired for a law firm and to represent you, but their papers have tons of mistakes, spelling errors. This will really question your confidence in who you hired to represent you. This is why attention to detail as a paralegal is very important in this role, because a small mistake can break or make a case. Fourth thing I've learned in my career is that continuous learning is necessary. Don't just assume that once you graduate from a paralegal program and land a job in the legal field that you are complete. You will always need to learn as much as you can to understand new court rules, laws, and get with the current times. Paralegals can continue learning in several ways: attending courses to further advance themselves, being part of an organization, And all of this is vital for a paralegal, as you can never stop knowing more and growing more in this career path. Fifth thing I've learned, which I believe would also be compatible with the previous topic, is that you must know and understand legal terminology. Legal terminology is everywhere. You need to know what a motion is, pleading, notice of hearing, mens rea, what is a moot hearing, etc. You will be using to communicate on a daily basis with clients, attorneys, judges, and court clerks. Okay, so now the sixth thing I have learned in this field is technology in the law office. This one I will say is very important and is always knowing technology skills in a law firm. Every law firm has their own program, softwares, the way they do their tasks on a computer. You will need to have the basic technology skills as a paralegal. You may go from one firm who is simple and uses simple software to another firm that everything just seems much more complex. Having the constant ability to grow and learn with technology will help you thrive in this field. Now, the seventh thing I've learned is work environment. This last topic in this video is going to be based on work environment, meaning working in the right environment. Majority of paralegals work from home after COVID because that's what COVID did. It often brought up more and more remote jobs as people couldn't go into the office. So you don't want a lot of distractions when you're working. Keep your desk in a sunlit room. Make sure it's not in a dark part of your house. This will avoid drowsy, sleepiness, and just overall affect your mood when you are working on cases. If you work at an office, try to keep your desk neat and organized so you will constantly know where everything is and when it's requested by an attorney. You don't want a messy desk with filings and papers scattered everywhere, and then when the attorney comes up to your desk to ask you for a case or any kind of pleading, you don't know where it is. You want to be professional and also be neat and organized. Now, you also cannot just have a messy filing system and know where things are for specific cases as well. Make sure that on your computer you are also organized and have documents labeled. You must be neat and be able to work in any environment. Nowadays, there isn't much work from home jobs available, so paralegal jobs will often require you to go into an office. You must learn your environment, communicate with your colleagues and attorneys, and so on. I hope this video helped explain 7 things I've learned in my journey. And thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You can also suggest any new video ideas you would like to see in the future. So thank you, guys. Bye-bye.